Hello everyone. So I bought this lawnmower here. It's an electric battery powered lawnmower. Being that it's a battery powered lawnmower, when I drove up, the weeds in my lawn started laughing. And then when they saw that it was a Walmart branded brushless battery powered lawnmower, some of the weeds laughed so hard they fell over dead. So already this thing is working and I won't have to mow that part of the lawn. But we're gonna put this thing to the test, I guarantee you. As soon as we take this thing out, we'll give it a try. You'll see my lawn and see what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and do the box opening. This is a Hart brand, purchased at Walmart for $248. 20-inch brushless mower. Says it can do half an acre per charge. So I'll have to charge it several times. Easy start, the single point height adjustment, and then bagging or mulching capability. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Now, I've had to buy another lawnmower because the one I had, well, to be quite honest, we just didn't do a very good job of taking care of it. Left it out in the elements a lot. But we did put it to good use. We worked it hard, and it did a great job while we had it. Okay. This is supposedly a very light type of mower as compared to those that run on gas, and then you have to put oil in them also. Here's the mulch bag, which will not be used for my area, for my lawn. It just takes up too much time. Now, from what I understand, this lawnmower, when we put it away, is supposed to actually allow us to put it away in an upright position, which saves a lot of space. And that's a good thing. Definitely packaged very well. Now, you know that this and everything comes from China. That's just the way it is. Hardly anything is made here in America anymore, unfortunately. Okay, so let's see here. All right, so here it is. We're gonna assemble this and give it a try. So I'll come back to you in just a few minutes. All right, folks, so there it is, assembled and hopefully ready to go, because this is what I've got as far as the lawn goes. With the amount of rain that we've been getting out here, at least in the last couple of days, the lawn has just gone nuts, weeds and all. So let's see how this thing does. All right, now I cannot hold the camera and do the lawn at the same time. So, well, I'll tell you what, let's try this for just a moment, because I want you to hear how quiet and easy this thing is. And I apologize for my heavy breathing. I don't have my oxygen on right now, and I'm going to when I start mowing, but I just wanted you to see this. Okay, so to start it, all you had to do first was install the battery, which is right in here. And make sure that that red key is installed also right there. I set the height pretty high to do this lawn, and then to start it, it's just a matter of holding this button right here and pulling back on this bar here. So here we go. I'm gonna do that. See if I can do it. Here you go. Hold that for me, sweetheart. There we go. So press the button, pull back, give it a moment, and there it goes. And I'll tell you what, it's really quiet and it's super light, which is excellent because I didn't get one that kind of self-pushes, so I do have to push it myself. So let's give it a try on this high grass and see what it does. With my gas mower, I would just plow right over this, and I'm just not ready to do it with this yet. I gotta take it a little easier, but I'm impressed. It's really doing the job. And no, I haven't charged the battery. I just took this out of the box, assembled it, put the battery in it, so it already came with a partial charge. All right, folks, so I started mowing the lawn and had to stop due to rain, and the rain didn't stop for about 3 or 4 days, so finally got back at it and wanted to show you the results of using the Hart battery powered lawnmower. And apologize for the ugly bricks. That's our burn pile for the moment. That'll be moved later, but you can look here, but this was all mowed down. The weeds and the grass were very high, but that battery powered lawnmower did the job. So very excited about it, and I can tell you we're gonna continue to use it, but as for today, as for right now, there's no way I'd go back to a gasoline powered mower. It just does the trick. And so we were able to finish this whole area here on one battery charge. All this, including some right up here. So yeah, that's it, folks. So maybe in a couple of months or so, I'll let you know how this lawnmower did over the summer. All right, God bless y'all.